Hi, this is Melinda Holland, and this is my presentation on the implications and findings of the textual analysis project for COM 610. My project was on senior giving at UMO, enacting a framework of engagement to student-led peer leadership. My introduction starts with engagement. Engagement of annual senior giving at the university has been a challenge and an obstacle in regards to the overall perception of what giving means in overall participation. This year, we decided to take a new look at how to implement this 2017 Senior Giving Committee senior campaign by focusing on student leadership. Our goal, or my goal for this project, was to use the human relations approach to leadership in providing effective messaging using social media to increase the knowledge of the campaign and also the overall participation. If you take a look here at this slide, this is our senior giving committee. The senior committee was comprised of 9 students, 2 seniors, 3 juniors, and 2 sophomores, and as well as myself, the director of the annual fund, and my colleague, Hope Fields, director of alumni relations. We have our committee is a diverse group and really open to culturally open to a variety of students, including international students and degree paths from all over the board. The literature that I used to review in my literature review was from D.J. Wirtz and Eisenberg, Goodall, and Trethway. According to Wirtz, adopting the engagement model requires a fundamentally shift in how colleges and universities think about and perform their role in the knowledge creation, dissemination, and implementation. This comes from his review, his work on toward an engagement model of institutional advancement at public and private colleges and universities. According to Eisenberg, Goodall, and Trethway, it would be advantageous to take a closer look at the human relations approach when trying to create a culture of connectedness to philanthropy on college campuses, which involves the human relations approach in this project. And human relations, according to them, is the thinking emphasizes the interpersonal and social needs of individuals. This year's campaign delivery was comprised of a committee training where we set clear goals and expectations, the use of social media venues, and the creation of student-directed events. Our messaging was created through creating a senior giving Facebook page and a Twitter page to disseminate messaging. We used constant contact as well in event messaging and call to action for seniors. The next slide shows examples of a delivery, and you can see here we have our Facebook page, students working events. This was our senior coffee night, and their table set up, and also this is a constant contact with the bingo, the signage up here of the bingo, and how we were creating messaging venues. The results are a comparison of the 2016 and 2017 campaigns as it stands now. You'll see that in 2016 we only had 19 senior donors, and that was of a class of a population actually that was of 200. This year we've seen exponential growth, and we have at current 70 donors, senior donors, and this we actually in our population this year that we targeted was all seniors from the summer graduation, which is in August, and then the December graduation. And you can see that we're really growing this through this campaign. My implications and findings are: by using an engagement approach theory to analyze the 2017 senior giving campaign, I believe the information transfer and dialogical approach through the student leadership is beneficial by educating seniors and other students about philanthropy. The analysis shows through student-led senior giving committee members, especially seniors, will engage in dialogue and participate if they are communicated through their choice of receiving information. The information transfer in the 2017 campaign was mainly done through Facebook, Twitter, and an app called GroupMe. My conclusion is creating a culture of philanthropy is a Herculean task. As any other cultural development of environment, it takes time, leadership, enthusiasm, commitment, and today's socially appropriate engagement tools. Using the human relationship approach, we must try to be assertive and assumptive. All people want to feel united, tied, and bound to something or cause greater than they. My last remark would be a group's ownership creates an affinity of power, and I believe, like Mary Parker Follett, genuine power can only be grown, for genuine power is not coercive but coactive. Thank you.